Hey everyone, welcome back to Money from Abode. I'm thrilled to have you here today because we're diving into a crucial topic that can transform your financial life. 10 simple steps to create your perfect personal budget. If you've ever wondered how to take control of your finances, stay tuned because we've got some game-changing tips coming your way. Tip 1. The importance of budgeting. Let's first discuss the importance of budgeting. A budget is similar to a roadmap for your money. It aids in goal planning, money management, and alleviation of financial strain. So, if you aren't budgeting already, now is the time to do so. A budget helps you see the bigger picture, set financial goals, and work towards achieving them. It's your tool for financial success. Tip 2. Set clear goals. Think about what you want to achieve financially. Do you want to pay off your student loans, buy a home, or retire comfortably? Having specific goals provides motivation and a sense of purpose for your budget. The clearer your goals, the more focused your budget can be in helping you reach them. Tip 3. Calculate your income. Start by adding up all the money you receive regularly, such as your salary, any side hustles, and other sources of income. It's essential to use your net income, which is the amount you actually receive after taxes and deductions. This is the money you have to work with when creating your budget. Tip 4. List your expenses. Grab a notebook or open a spreadsheet and start listing all your monthly expenses. Begin with your essentials, like rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, and transportation. These are the bills you absolutely must pay each month. Tip 5. Distinguish between fixed and variable expenses. Fixed expenses are those consistent, unchanging costs like your rent or car payment. Variable expenses, on the other hand, fluctuate from month to month, such as dining out or entertainment. Understanding this difference will help you manage your budget effectively. Tip 6. Track your spending. This is a game changer. Keep a detailed record of every dollar you spend for at least a month. This will reveal your spending habits and show you where your money is really going. It's like shining a spotlight on your financial choices. Tip 7. Create categories. Create categories for your expenses. Group similar expenses together to make your budget easier to manage. Common categories include housing, transportation, groceries, entertainment, and savings. Organizing your budget this way helps you see where your money is allocated. Tip 8. Allocate funds. Once you've listed your expenses and created categories, decide how much money you want to allocate to each one. This step ensures that you're setting aside enough for your needs and goals. Be realistic and prioritize your financial well-being. Tip 9. Monitor and adjust. Your budget isn't a static document, it's a dynamic tool. Check your budget monthly and compare your actual spending to what you planned. If you notice any discrepancies or need to make changes, don't hesitate to adjust your budget accordingly. Flexibility is key. Tip 10. Emergency fund and debt repayment. Prioritize building an emergency fund and tackling debt. Having an emergency fund with at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses provides you with a financial safety net. It's your shield against unexpected crises. Additionally, focus on paying down high-interest debt, like credit cards. Reducing debt frees up more money to put toward your financial goals. Budgeting is your ticket to financial success. It empowers you to take control of your money, set goals, and work towards achieving them. Remember, it's a journey, not a destination. If you found these tips helpful and want more financial tips, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. We're here to support you on your financial journey, and we can't wait to see you in the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and until next time, stay financially savvy.